With recent events, it's become clear that some prop firms are better than others. But all along, I've been a loud advocate for prop firms in general. In this video, I'm going to go over why I think Blue Guardian may be a good option for you to consider. Links in the description below. To get ahead in the real world, unfortunately, nepotism is the reality. It depends on who you know or the background you come from. With trading, all of that is stripped away. You succeed or fail based on your own merits. If you have a winning trading system and are able to manage not only the risk, but your own personal psychology, you can leverage a small investment into massive rewards. In previous videos, I've said step one is to backtest a trading system for yourself. Don't take mine or anyone else's word on YouTube that an indicator or method is the way to go. There's no shortcut when it comes to success. It's your money. You can do whatever you want. But if it were me, I'd want to see the proof and know I had a reasonable chance of actually making money. Assuming you can check this box, I've always recommended skipping a free demo account. A play money situation can actually do more harm than good and teach you bad habits. Many people end up taking trades willy-nilly because they have nothing to lose. What's the point of even using a stop loss or proper sizing? It's all just a game and it doesn't matter. The difference between blowing a fake 100K account and losing even a single dollar of real money on a trade is huge. So if you're gonna go the real money route, you have two options. You can fund your own personal account. The upside is you can trade however you want. You wanna risk 20% on a news event? More power to you. On the other hand, the biggest drawback comes into play if you don't have a ton of money. You deposit $1,000 and make 20% on the year. That's pretty decent in terms of percentage, but you looked at charts month after month and only made $200 for the whole year. Not to mention, if you're caught in a black swan event or you go on tilt, you can lose all of your money in a single day. The other, and I'd suggest a better option, is getting funded through a prop firm. If you're a competent trader, you can start small, roll your profits into bigger challenges, and eventually trade with hundreds of thousands or even millions of dollars. Make the same 20%, but now we're talking about what could be life-changing money. Now, let's specifically look at Blue Guardian. The Rapid is a one stage. Pass it and you're funded right away. Profit target is 10% and max loss is 6%. It's also worth noting the daily loss is fixed, but the max loss is relative and is a trailing drawdown. For me personally, I prefer the more traditional two-step challenge, so let's look at that now. There's no time limit for any of Blue Guardian's challenges. Both the Unlimited and Elite are two steps. The profit target is 8% for stage 1 compared to 10% for the Rapid. Profit target in phase 2 is only 4%. Another benefit of the two-step is the max loss is fixed instead of trailing. A lot of the companies have an 80-20 split, but Blue Guardian offers 85% profit split. There are a few minor differences between the Unlimited and Elite. Max leverage is 100 to 1 versus 50 to 1. You're allowed to pass on the first day with Unlimited, but have to wait 5 days with Elite. The major change is the amount of drawdown allowed and the associated price. The Elite offers 25% more overall drawdown, but also comes with a proportionally higher price. For me personally, I'd rather have the best chance of passing a challenge and once funded, be able to keep it for as long as I can. I'm going to start a prop challenge soon and it'll be with the Elite Guardian plan. More on that in a few minutes, but let me show you the best feature. With other prop firms, it seems there's an adversarial relationship between the company and the trader. Many of you have probably come across internal communications from another prop firm that was cheating its customers. They were actively trying to create slippage, do whatever they could to make traders breach the rules. Blue Guardian takes the opposite approach. One of the biggest hurdles with passing a prop challenge, especially if you have more than one trade open, is staying below the max daily loss. The way they do this is with the Guardian Protector. It keeps track of your equity and limits how much you can lose in a day so you don't lose your entire account. Let's log into my dashboard. I'll show you how it works. I have a brand new $50,000 account. Let's click on the Guardian Protector. You can set it by percentage, 0 to 4%, or by dollar amount. Right now I've got it set to 3%, which is the equivalent of $1,500. So you can see here with the 50K account, 4% would be $2,000 or $48,000. 3% of 50,000 is 1,500, and if tomorrow my equity hits 48,500, all of my trades would be closed. As with any market order, price is not guaranteed. So I feel more comfortable using 3% instead of the full 4% to account for this. You can also see this button to disable trading until tomorrow. This is a super helpful feature. Say I lost 3%, but I still have an EA running in the background. This button would prevent the trade from taking place and potentially pushing my account over the limit. Not to mention, after losing 3%, maybe I get emotional and I want to rush into another trade to get back to even. This is the kill switch. Once it's activated, your account is locked until the next trading day. Sometimes we need to be saved from ourselves, and this is a solution that just may save your account and let you cool off. The goal of signing up with a prop firm is not to pass phases 1 and 2. Of course, that's the first step, but the ultimate mission is payouts and trading with more capital. If you're able to trade consistently, you can scale your account up to $2 million. Make 12% within 3 months and they'll increase your account size by 30% of your initial balance. They have an active Discord. I've chatted with support several times and they're very responsive. You can open up a ticket here. As with everything I say, don't just take my word for it. Check out Trustpilot, almost 600 reviews with 4.8 stars. Check out the link in the description below to find out more about Blue Guardian. As far as passing a challenge, you need an actual trading plan. How you're going to enter, where your initial stop loss is going to be, how much you risk per trade, how to move your stop loss, and where to take profit. I go over all of these for my 50K Blue Guardian challenge here. Post any comments below. Talk to you in a minute.